Increase your fitness level and boost your cardio workouts with the Sunny Health and Fitness P8700 motorized pink treadmill. Reduce impact on your legs and joints with the 6-point shock absorption system, and intensify your workout routine with the manually adjusted incline levels. The treadmill supports a maximum user weight of 220 pounds. Sprint up to 9 miles per hour with the 2.2 horsepower motor. Track your progress with the backlit digital console, and adjust your speed easily with the 3 conveniently placed quick select buttons. The easy-to-use handrail controls allow you to manage speed, check your heart rate, and start and stop workout sessions. Stay in touch with your smart device with the convenient tablet holder, or cool down with the easy-to-reach water bottle holders. When finished, fold up your treadmill and use the transportation wheels to easily store your machine. Take your fitness routine to the next level with the P8700 motorized pink treadmill by Sunny Health and Fitness. Pack a powerful cardio workout in your own home with the SFT4400 motorized treadmill. Shock absorption technology paired with a sturdy frame, this treadmill pushes you to your limits in complete comfort. Challenge yourself with the motor that can reach speeds up to 9 miles per hour. Increase your workout intensity with 3 levels of manual incline. Check your heart rate or increase your speed instantly with the handrail pulse sensors and quick select buttons. Glance at the multifunction backlit console to track your time, speed, and calories burned as you exercise. Vary your workout intensity by using the 9 pre-installed cardio programs. Stay engaged with your favorite apps with the tablet holder, or cool down with the convenient bottle holder. When not in use, fold up the treadmill and move it out of the way with the transportation wheels. Train to become better with the SFT4400 motorized treadmill by Sunny Health and Fitness.